Golden Elephant MIG welding machine, 250 amps. This is the multi-purpose welding machine. Let's see the back. This is input 220 watts. This is the power cable with the plug. Let's connect to the power. So that let's turn on the machine. Okay, and then we can check the panel. This is the voltage current adjustment, and this is the welding current adjustment from 40 amps to 250 amps. Let's see the functions. This is the MMA welding, and we can choose the TIG welding, and also can use MIG welding. We can also do the gasless welding. We can use the flux-core welding wire, and using the 0.8 to 1.0 mm of welding wire. And the welding wire can be put in the built-in fire feeder. Let's see, this is the wire feeder. We can put all our flux-core welding wire or the welding wire inside this fire feeder. And let's see how to operate it. This is the MIG torch. Okay, and this is the ground clamp with the ground cable. Let's connect it. This ground cable and ground clamp should be connected to the negative to our workpiece. And then this is the MIG torch. We also need to connect to the machine and tie it. After we put the welding wire inside this fire feeder so that we can start our welding already. Okay. Yeah, let's see. This is the welding MIG torch. Okay. Yeah, let's press to the MIG welding. Okay, MIG welding. So that we can check. Okay. Welcome to your OEM and ODM orders. Thank you.